Good evening everybody, how is everyone? We're up here now, it's about 10 past 8 in the evening time, and I'm bringing you up tonight because I could have brought you up today and done the whole video, but I thought I'll just come up with my son today and we're getting a lot done. So on first glance, can you see what we've done? So it's starting to rain as well, so I've got to be careful with the lens. And it's getting dark. So first off though, I'll show you this, what I did the other day. Now I cut back all that chard, and I've actually kept the chard. So there's a couple of plants, 3 plants, that one's still going to seed. I'll cut that again I think, but I've kept these ones hopefully just to still get some nice chard off it. But as you can see, I've cut right back on these plants and hopefully they'll sprout some new leaves. I am intending probably the next video to plant some more chard as well, but it was just running to seed, and if I was, it's sharp bolts, and when you've seen the height of the other one when that bolted, it was just like a massive tree trunk. So hopefully that'll still give us some chard and right through, to be honest. But like I say, as a backup, I am going to plant some more, I think, just to set them off now, to be honest. So moving over, the first thing myself and my son tackled was the Marge 2 bed. Yes, so we've picked as many as we can, so we're not sick of them. There's a whole load of them gone down, and we've just cleared it out and it's now ready for something else. So comments below, what shall I put in it? I'm planting some seeds there now. I might, it's had the kind of peas in, which is good nitrogen, so I'm not 100% sure what to put in just yet. Obviously I'm going to be planting some cabbages and everything like that, but send us a little note down below, what I should do. The next one, let me just show you this. Yes, I've went green and blue. What we did is we built this little frame, and to be honest, I'm now getting to the hang where they're easy peasy lemon squeezy. I've got this technique now. So we put the 3 hoops in the middle. This is the bed that's got that red cabbage in. Now I know it got pecked by the birds, but I'm thinking it was looking healthy and it's still looking good, so I'm going to try and mother it and try and get at least something from it. So if you can see, I fastened it there and there, and there's nothing, these plastic tubes are just pushed in. Then we've got the cable ties, the green recycled ones. We've got them attaching this. Then come down, I've just wrapped it round more what you call bamboo shoots, but then use the nails, and I can just lift it off, if I wanted to kind of get into it. So we'll give that a go. To be honest, I'm chuffed to bits with that bed, to be honest. That's a bed that's, because the frustrators, if I'm honest, like putting these things up, this one here was a right, and to be honest, it's not, I've left me ties out. It's not the best anyways, and I don't know whether it'd be moving away from the tennis balls or just changing it ever so slightly, me builds. You know what I mean? So what else did we do? Well, let me move you back over here to the red currants. As you can see, now I didn't use actually that one, but we've took that red currant down as well. And we've actually got a great little pick, and just the ones, there wasn't that many on, but there was enough to probably put in a bowl of cereal. But so we've took the netting away from there. Now what I'm going to do with them stakes is try and somehow make like a little frame for the raspberries over there. I've got 4 of them sticks left, like from that bed there. So hopefully that will be, I'll just go around here, an easy peasy job to do. Well, they never are, not the easy jobs never turn out, but it's starting to flop over, so it needs some care and attention, this bed at the moment. That's not all. Yes, we've been busy today. Like I said, I could have brought the camera up there, but with my son, he's just dad man, you know what I mean? And it's just like, it's sometimes nice just to switch off the camera and just kind of get your hands in the earth yourselves, you know what I mean? And I think it's great. It's a great little bonding thing for me and Reed to come up, you know what I mean, to kind of build things. It's like a dad son build things, a dad daughter build things, you know. So what did we do? We built another one. This is, yes, 2.0. Now this one, if you remember, this bed had the red onions in it, and a lot of them had went to seed, but to be honest, I am very proud of the onions that I got off there. Oh, really proud. Yes, I was. I'm absolutely flabbergasted, to be honest. It's funny enough. Which was the bed? That was the bed that had the garlic in. This one had none of that rot in. Do you know what I mean? For the onions. And yes, there was some that ran to seed, but what, you know, you can tell there, look at that, man. I'll zoom in. That crop of onions I was chuffed to bits with. So what we've done here is, again, built up this frame. These are black. Now, I'm not sure where I got these from, the black ones. I'll pick them up somewhere from work, probably. But in there, I've got cauliflowers. And I've actually got them, you know, with the kind of seeds on, and I've put a couple of layers of the compost on as well. So we'll try and mother them. Now, what I have got though is, so hopefully it'll be, I've got these cauliflowers coming here. Now I'm not sure how many I've got. I've probably got about 3 or 4. There's nothing happening just yet. But actually turnips are coming on, mind you, as well. There, when I look, can you see down there the turnips? So I've got some cauliflowers coming, probably 2 or 3. I'm not sure. I'm not 100% sure, because I know I've got some sprouting broccoli in there as well. But that'll be nice. And again, we just did that same method where I've just got it like under the nails, and it's lovely and easy just to kind of lift up and you can get in. So yeah, now I know it's green, but it's not. I don't know if you can see how it'll not stop butterflies, but I'm not bothered, to be honest. Now I wanted to put me copper tape round, because it would have been dead easy with Reed being up here. Can you see the copper tape on that bed? But I couldn't find it, and then once I've gotten netting on, I found the bloody thing. So I haven't got copper tape, but I have put that powdered, you know, like the hair, where it goes all fluffy and that goes to hair. So yes, that's while you were away, we've been rather busy. And I'll actually show you, well, that's what I'll do, I'll show you this. I quite like this company for compost as well. I don't know if anyone's seen it in the shops. Durstons, can you see that? Durstons. Now I've got Johnny's seed compost. So if we just follow me, I'll just jump in. I'm going to work tonight, but I'm going to give this a water. Mind you, it does not make a difference when it's tidy. Yeah? My mother was right. Yeah. And someone mentioned as well, you know what I mean, you kind of leave home, you bring up wives, kids, you've got responsible jobs and everything, but when your mum tells you to clean them, bloody, you jump. Just go around this way, because up here somewhere is my seeds that I got, or the seeds that I'm intending to plant. So I picked up some spring cabbage, some April, what, Chinese cabbage. Now this actually, can you see the price? $3.49. I think it was $3.49 last year, mind you, but dear things. And it didn't work last year, so my intention is to grow them on in here in the polytunnel, and like keep them in here and plant them in the ground and see if I can actually get some Chinese cabbage. What else have I got there? Some radicchio, because I love that kind of lettuce, nice bite to it. Some more chard, and some more chard. Don't do that. And mixed lettuce. I tried to get some spring onions, to be honest, but I couldn't see anything. I've got more carrots and I've got beetroot seeds, but I'm just, you know, and to be honest, I'm probably planting these, and it'll get late in the year, so maybe, but it's just nice to do it. Do you know what I mean? Kind of whether it'll come to anything, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm just picking off. Now apparently these beef tomato ones, look at that, man. Look at that. Can you see the size of that thing? Get this leaf, get that leaf spoiling the bloody picture. Look at that, man. Now I've just watched Roots and Refuge, and just over there had huge ones as well. So, but I think they're actually bigger than these beef tomatoes, you know me. Well, that's a nice size one down there, mind you. And you get a look at that one. So I should really be putting little kind of protection hooks on them. I've seen Spring Hill Farms use these like little band hooks. So I'll give a quick water in here. And I think that's it. But I thought I would just, you know, show you around what I've been up to while you were sleeping. I've been up here still. And look at this. I planted them spring onions. And I've never gotten them out. And they're now ready to actually just take home. So I'm just going to actually clean them up and use them as proper spring onions. So I'll go and put the tap on, get the water. So let us know, what was it? Oh, I picked some actually potatoes there the other day. I had a lovely, actually we sauteed them. So I boiled them up, cooled them down in like freezing cold water straight away, let them stay for a bit, and then sauteed them with some, what I use, maybe you're proud of this, some sweet smoked paprika, and some garlic. Yes, so very tasty. Right, get that turned on. Right. So I'll go and water. You don't have to bother watching us there. I think you've seen enough. But I just thought to give you a little kind of view. So let us know, you know, some good advice for planting, for filling this bed. Because some beds are starting to come free again. Do you know what I mean? What I might do is pick them carrots as baby carrots. You know what I mean? Then I've got another bed there. Because they are... I know I'm saying I'm going, but I'm dragging. You know, they are kind of like a sweet little... I'll pull one if I can. Oh, do you know what I mean? So they're a nice little size there, just to roast in the oven. Shall I put that back and pretend it'll grow? Do you know? So I might... It'll just give us probably 2... Because we roast carrots as well in the oven with olive oil. Bit of sea salt, very nice. So, and then there's another bed there. So... Beds are starting to become available. Anyway, I'll let you get away, look after yourselves and take good care.